Safety is a big thing for our kids. From the day we take them home from the hospital and we want to know the car seat is installed correctly, all the way up until they're teenagers and we're sending them out into the world, hoping that we've taught them to make good decisions. Codewords is one of my favorite safety tips that can apply from a young age all the way up to those teenage sleepover years. I'm Kelsey Boss, founder of Compleo Kids, where our passion is keeping your whole family healthy and happy. So let's talk about code words. Code words can mean a couple different things. One, it can mean a way for children to express discomfort. So if your family comes up with a code word or a code phrase, hey mom, I forgot this, or I want some chocolate, that is a way an older child can get themselves out of an uncomfortable situation without having to necessarily say what's going on. So my kids know at church, if they come up to me and say the code word or wherever we are, that means he's uncomfortable and he doesn't want to do that anymore, especially as kids get older. And if they're feeling some peer pressure in front of friends, they might not want to call you on their phone and say, I don't want to be here anymore. But that code word can signal, hey, I'm uncomfortable. Please come pick me up. Please make up a reason. Oh, I forgot we had an appointment. Oh, I forgot we had something, to get them out of that situation. So with older kids, it can be a way to express some discomfort. With younger kids, another great way to use the code word, our local zoo camp actually implemented this and I love it. When we drop him off for summer camp, they will not release him back to us or our babysitter, spouse, whoever's picking him up for the day without the adult saying the code word. It is a good way to know that you are handing that child off to someone that the family trusts to take the child home. So if you're in a busy camp situation, especially in summers, when during the school year, they know your family so well. They know who the grandparents are. They know who everyone is. There's signed consents for different people to pick up the kids, but these summer camps are big. They don't know your family well. So asking your summer camps to implement the code word policy is a great way to keep your kids safe and make sure they're going home with the right family and the right person. So for our safety tip this week, just look into code words for your family and code phrases, whatever that age may be. And I think you'll be surprised at how helpful it can be.